The last part of your test for Chapter 13 is matching. Here are the words, vocabulary words, for your first set of matching, numbers 46 through 55. A is mountain man. B is John Jacob Astor. C is Henry Clay. D is Oregon Trail. E, ranchos. F, Californios. G, Sam Houston. H, vigilantes. I, John Quincy Adams. J, Narcissa Whitman. Number 46. These are Mexicans who live in California. 47. This person was the commander of Texan forces. 48. This word is a name for huge Mexican properties. 49. This was a route to the western lands. 50. These people took the law into their own hands. 51. This person was a missionary. 52. This person lost an election to James Polk. 53. This person was an American merchant. 54. This person was a fur trapper by trade. And 55. This person negotiated a treaty with Spain. The next set of matching. Here are your words. A, joint occupation. B, mountain man. C, immigrant. D, prairie schooner. E, manifest destiny. F, access. G, Tejano. H, decree. I, barricade. J, annex. K, region. L, rancho. M, ranchero. N, resource. O, justify. P, 49er. Q, boomtown. R, vigilante. S, constitution. And T, incorporate. You'll notice that some of these words are also in the previous set of matching, and others you might find throughout there might be hints throughout the multiple choice questions. So be sure to check back there. Number 1. This word means to include or absorb. Number 2. This word means to block off. Number 3. This word is a situation in which people from two countries can occupy an area together. Four. This is a list of laws supporting a government. 5. This is another word for an official order. 6. This word means to add territory to one's own territory. So add territory to what you already have. 7. This is a person who leaves their own country to go and live somewhere else. 8. This is an area defined by a feature or a characteristic. 9. This is a person who acts as police, judge, and jury without any formal legal authority. 10. This person was an adventurer of the American West. 11. This was a name for a ranch, especially the large estates that were set up by Mexicans in the American West. Number 12. This is a name for a fast-growing community. 13. This is a canvas-covered wagon that was used by pioneers in the mid-1800s. Number 14. This is another name for a rancher. This is a person who owns a rancho. 15. This is a fortune seeker who came to California during the gold rush. 16. This is the belief that the United States was destined by God to extend its boundaries all the way to the Pacific Ocean. 17. This word means to provide an explanation for. 18. This is a Texan of Latin America, often of Mexican descent. 19. This is something that can be used for benefit, especially when we're talking about land, minerals, or water. 20. This is a way into something or someplace.